Mix acetone with cornstarch and watch the magic happen in your home. It's really impressive and very easy to do. You're gonna love it. To start this tip, I will use 200 milliliters of detergent. Let's put him in a small container. Next, I will add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Margaret Turwa from Zambia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now I'll add a teaspoon of acetone. Here I am using the lid of the container itself to control the amount of liquid. I was surprised myself the first time I did it. After mixing all the ingredients, just apply a small amount of our product on top of a dirty pan. All dirt and dark spots that are difficult to remove will magically disappear. Guys, do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. It is much more efficient than those expensive products sold in conventional markets. I started saving a lot of money after I started cleaning my pots like this. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. After spreading our product over the entire dirty surface, just perform a light brushing with the help of a sponge. No more wasting time and effort trying to remove those stains hard to get out of the pots. Instead, make this tip super easy and fast. And all this using only a few ingredients present in anyone's home. I doubt you've ever done anything like this before to clean dishes and pans. Tell me how you like to use acetone and cornstarch to help with housework. I'd love to know. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how amazing it is. After scrubbing very well, just rinse with water to remove the excess of our product. I have no doubt that this tip will enter your routine, as well as entered mine. She changed the way I clean the pots at home. I'm sure it will transform your life as well. Look how all the stains and dirt have been removed successfully. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.